Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tags in Notion. So let's get started. So here we are in Notion, and then as you can see, we have our sample database right here. And by default, usually is that Notion tables or databases already have tags in them. But if you don't have one or you can find them, then you can just simply add one. So you can click on the plus arrow icon right here, the plus icon, click on that. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to go for multi-select right here as a property. Say you want to click on that, right is there. And now you can just rename this. So maybe in tags, you can go and name with this tags if you want, or you could go for maybe genre. So for example, you are working this movie, so you can go with genre or whatsoever. But in this case, let's keep it simple with tags right there and hit enter, and now it's renamed to tag. So what you can do now is you can click on the boxes, and from here, let's say this tag would be let's create a sample tag number 1, and then hit enter. And now you would have a tag right here, and when you apply it to the other boxes, so for example, the first one right here, then you could just click on that right here. And you can also create another one right here. So sample tag number 2, just for an example, right here, hit enter, and now you have that. And you can also put multiple tags together just like so, and then you can create as many as you want right there. So yeah, this is basically how you can create tags in Notion. I hope this video helped you out. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.